Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. This is going to be my part 2 of my SWR adjustable half-inch conduit, electrical conduit J-pole that you can use for a base station or for a repeater antenna. Now what I mean by adjustable SWR, we can adjust this up and down to lower the SWRs for the frequency you want to use. Now, I did do a part 1 video. I'll post that link down below. This video here, I'm kind of showing you the final idea. I did 3D print a nice little adapter that holds this. So that's one thing I did that I don't know if I did that in the other video or not. I did make some end caps that go on the end of the pipe here to kind of seal it. You can see there. And then I also 3D printed a cover for the back here to cover up the connections. And how I fasten this is you just use silicone adhesive, so you can remove this if you need to. I suppose you could super glue it, but then it might be difficult to remove. Even the caps, I use the silicone adhesive. Matter of fact, the tube's right there. Then I spray cleared everything. I use clear coat UV resistance spray paint. I even put it on the pipe so it doesn't rust. I sprayed it. I'll probably do another coat here after I'm done with this video. And then I'm going to probably do some videos on distance testing this. If it's something that you're interested in this kit, let me know in the comments below. I may have it offer a kit where you'll get the end caps, the adapter, the feed adjustable. You'll have to make your own antenna for it. You'll have to, get your own conduit. But I with the cap on or something like that. I may offer a kit where you can purchase this kit to build your own J-pole antenna, adjustable antenna. So, like I said, if you're interested in that, make a comment or shoot me an email. I'll put my email address down below. So that's where we're at. I just got to finish this up and then mount this back on my antenna mast, and then I plan on doing a distance test video using this antenna. I can tell you, when I had this hooked up temporarily to my antenna coax, it's a 40-foot antenna coax that I'm going to be using for this. My SWRs were about 1.2, I believe. So it's been really good for the frequency. Like I said, my part 1 video showed it a lot better. This has really good SWRs from 460 megahertz up to 470. I believe it was like up in the 470s, like a 1.5, I think. But my first video shows that, and I'll post that link down below. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.